To all of our future customers, we are currently involved in HD DVR video number 2. Currently we're looking at an Android phone, a 3G smartphone, with the app SuperCam. The SuperCam app is a specific app that is unique only to the HD DVR series. This particular app, SuperCam, works on all 3G smartphones. The iPhone, the BlackBerry, the Android, and all 3 and 4G tablets such as the iPad and the Android tablets. Currently we're here at the login screen of the SuperCam app where any of our future customers who have our HD DVR series system installed can be able to watch from real-time high definition from any 3G smartphone that they may own. Here at the login screen, the system is asking you for the server, the username, and the password. The server is another name for the IP address. And the username and the password, that's obvious. Now, if you already have an IP address programmed to your system, you don't have to type it in every time. You can double click on this arrow here, and by double clicking on the arrow, you can come to any series of IP addresses which it inputs the information for you. The IP address, the username, and the password. And you can go back and forth throughout different sites. Now this particular IP address, this server, is for a customer of ours that has a country club down in South Beach. It already inputs in the IP address, the username, and the password as seen on the screen. And you can also check mark remember server and then hit the login button. The system will connect to the server and it gives you a series of different options. To be able to watch the cameras in real time and live, you click on the live button here with the camera icon. The system will start loading up 4 cameras simultaneously that you can watch at the same time with the cameras moving in real time and the seconds moving. You can also click on any camera image you may like and see the camera in real time. Now, you can go back and forth between seeing 1 camera, 4, or more cameras. As you can see, I just double clicked to see 1 camera. And you can also continue to see all 4 cameras. In the bottom of the screen, you're going to see controls. The first controls that you see here, actually these green and yellow buttons indicate motion. You're able to see which cameras actually are creating motion. If the cameras have the yellow little ball right here for their number, that means there's motion being activated by someone moving or some type of movement in front of the camera. If the camera's green, that means there's no motion, but it's set to record. If the camera is in a blue ball here, like channels 14, 15, and 16, this represents that there's no cameras connected on that system. You also have options in the bottom to go for 1 camera view, 4 camera view, and this third button is to select between different cameras. And if you have what's called our PTZ, our Pan, Tilt, and Zoom Elite Series cameras that can turn 360 degrees, zoom in and out, you can also control them from the internet, from the DVR, and from any 3G smartphone. You also have the ability to take snapshot images with this little camera icon here, do emergency record of clips to your phone. There's a little audio speaker icon here that controls audio. And you can log out with this little arrow screen right here from the screen completely at the end. Now, let's say you want to be able to change and go to your next 4 cameras on your system. You simply click on this third icon, which has a little arrow. Now it brings up all 16 possible camera input boxes. As you can see, numbers 1 through 4 are check mark. I can then either select random 4 cameras, or I can go to the next 4 and select 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit the return button here at the top of the screen, and now it's going to load up all 4 cameras simultaneously and you can see what's going on. You can also click on a specific one to see in real time and in high definition what's going on at this particular location without any delays from the internet whatsoever. Now you can also just double click the screen again and go back to the next 4. You can also come to that third button again and select any random 4 cameras you wish. That way you can do surveillance of your system efficiently, quickly, and from any 3G smartphone. And select the cameras and be able to see what's going on at this place of business accurately. This is just a brief video so you can see how you can play back on any 3G smartphone real time and live. On our next video, we will be discussing how you can also play back videos, have full controls, and play back in real time the cameras from any 3G tablet such as the iPad. Thank you and have a great day.